Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Maki Sushi, easy method. Start by cooking sushi rice with precise water ratio and let it cool slightly. Then season with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt while folding gently. Lay nori on the bamboo mat, spread rice thinly leaving a top border, place fillings in a line, and roll tightly to form a neat cylinder ready for slicing. Cooking perfect sushi rice is simple and forgiving when you follow a few steps. Rinse until water is nearly clear, then cook with a slightly less than 1:1 water ratio for ideal firmness. While rice is hot, sprinkle seasoned rice vinegar evenly and fold gently with a wooden paddle until glossy. Cool to room temperature before spreading on nori to ensure easier rolling and better texture in each bite. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for cooking playlists and hands-free timers to make sushi prep smoother. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Rolling maki sushi takes practice, but is quickly learned by using consistent pressure and alignment. Position fillings in a single line at the near edge of the nori, lift the mat to start the roll, and pull the mat as you tuck to keep the roll tight. Seal with a damp edge of nori, then gently press the roll to firm it. Slice with a wet, sharp knife to yield clean, attractive pieces for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.